Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. Now this is lesson 3 in our series on how to write a discussion essay. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write the introduction paragraph. All right, let's get started. All right, let's check in on our awesome checklist. These are the learning objectives we want to achieve in today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. So our first objective is to be able to review the structure of a discussion essay. Then, to be able to plan a discussion essay, maybe using our Scales of Justice planner. Then, to be able to use the hamburger paragraph strategy to help us write an awesome paragraph. Then, to be able to use really good sentence starters to up-level our paragraph. And then finally, to be able to innovate ideas and put them in our own words. All right, let's get started. All right, now it's time to plan a discussion essay. Now we can do a little think, pair, share. Either way, it's good to brainstorm ideas before you start writing. Now you can use our Scales of Justice planner to help you organize your thoughts. So our essay we are going to practice today is on this claim that school uniforms are important. Discuss. So we're going to write a discussion essay about this claim. First, let's brainstorm the pros and cons of this statement. Now you might be able to do a think, pair, share with someone else, or you can just think by yourself. You need to decide one or two really good reasons for each side of that argument. And then maybe you can do a table a bit like this. Now let's check out what this paragraph would look like using the burger strategy. Now we've highlighted and annotated really important elements to help you with your hamburger paragraph. Now you can see the first part, we have the topic sentence. Now that introduces the paragraph. That's that bun in your burger paragraph. We also have a hook. You can see that there in grey. Have you ever worn a school uniform? School uniforms are historically common within private schools and are becoming more popular in public schools too. We've even got a little reference, Jensen 2022. Then you can see in blue here, we've listed a couple of reasons that we've drawn out of that Scales of Justice planner, the advantages we're going to discuss in the body. So we've got, it may be advantageous to wear school uniforms because it improves the capacity of students to be organized and unifies the school as a collective group. Then the next little bit that we've highlighted in green lists and introduces the disadvantages we're going to talk about in the body of our essay. So it says, on the other hand, uniforms can be expensive and prevent students from expressing themselves. So that's two disadvantages of uniforms. So we're discussing the pros and cons. And then finally, we have our concluding sentence that wraps up our introductory paragraph. It says, this essay will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of wearing a school uniform. So also, you can spot there in red those sentence starters that really frame and up-level our paragraph. So now it's over to you to draft your own introduction paragraph. You've seen our annotated example with all those key features and steps using the hamburger paragraph strategy. Now you can copy or innovate those parts, or you can even come up with your own ideas to put in your introductory paragraph. Over to you. Use this annotation to help you. Let's get started. Okay, I hope you had some success drafting that introductory paragraph for a discussion essay. So now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know how to write an introductory paragraph for an essay, go and write another one. You can make up another claim. You might want to follow our planning tips or use our other videos to help you. You can use the annotated example to help you get that structure right. Either way, remember, practice makes progress. If these videos are really helping you, don't forget to follow us. Okay, I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.